Hey guys, lately I've been getting into the new trading card game from Disney called Lorcana. In this TCG, the first player to reach 20 or more lore wins. There are a number of ways to keep track of lore using standard 20-sided dies, apps, or just pen and paper. However, I found another use for my GMT wristwatches. There are many dive watches out there that have the GMT function to keep track of 24-hour time zones. They have a unidirectional rotating bezel with 24-hour markers, which is perfect for counting lore in Lorcana. Every time you gain a lore, you just turn the dial to the left, and it has a very satisfying click, and it's not easy to accidentally jostle and lose your lore count like a 20-sided die. There are many watch brands who make GMT watches, from Timex to Rolex. If you already have such a watch, you could use it as is. If not, you can just buy an empty watch case and make a customized lore counter. I have some extra watch cases on hand since my other hobby is watch building. You can pick these empty GMT watch cases for about $15 and print out an insert and use it as a lore counter. Because of copyright reasons, I can't really link to this logo, but all I did was Google Lorcana logo and I found it. I printed a few of them and then cut them out with a pair of scissors and placed it inside the watch case. You could use a bit of tape to secure the logo in place, but my watch has a spacer that holds it down. Then all you have to do is screw in the case back and you have a lore counter. The watch case in this video doesn't have the front crystal installed, but most of the ones you buy will have it already installed. To remove the case back, it wasn't too difficult. I used this rubber ball tool, and most of the empty cases you buy have the watch case back loosely fitted anyways. If you have one of the starter decks, included in the packaging is a counter marker that is the perfect size to fit in the watch case. You can just punch it out from the packaging. Then to cover up the hole, I got a small piece of paper. This way you don't have to print anything. You can use whatever you want to keep track of your lore, marbles, beans, a die, but I find a rotating bezel from a GMT watch a lot easier to use, and you can't accidentally bump or lose track of your lore count. So what do you use to keep track of your lore? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.